can only go one way though.
Well,
I don't know. Toyota maintenance, warranty, or recall work, get service the day you call, and a loaner if needed.
Log on at ProudBridgeToyota.com.
Seattle Mariners baseball on FSN is brought to you by AT&T.
She's trying the other way.
Yeah.
Buy Money Tree, apply for a Money Tree payday loan at moneytree.com. Take out a loan without leaving your house. That's moneytree.com.
Good girl.
Buy Pizza Hut and get your favorite pizza with the top
Maddie.
for $1.
Madison.
Right now, back to Dave Sims.
Mariners over the Oakland Athletics. New pitchers Jerry Blevins, blade thin, 6'6", 178. Casey Kochman made the most of his first two at-bats as a Mariner. RBI double in the first and the sacrifice fly in the third. And the numbers on Blevins.